The government is getting backlash over its decision to withdraw support for the Venezuelan president Nicolas Maduro. Opposition spokesman on foreign affairs Lisa Hanna blasts the move, while another commentator said the country should have abstained. TVJ's Dashan Hendricks has more in this primetime news follow-up.
Predictable criticism from the opposition over the government's decision to side with countries not in support of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro's continued leadership of that country after disputed elections. Maduro was sworn in Thursday, and though Jamaica sent a representative to the ceremony in Caracas, in Washington, the country's representative at the Organization of American States, OAS, under instruction from Kingston, indicated the Holiness administration is not in support of Maduro. Opposition spokesman on foreign affairs and foreign trade Lisa Hanna, in a release Friday, said the vote, quote, departed from the traditional principles on which the nation has relied for decades and has therefore brought into disgrace the country's image in the international community, end quote. She added that by its action yesterday, Jamaica seems intent on joining others in their hostile attitude towards a country and a government which has extended goodwill to us. The PNP shadow minister said on the face of it, it now appears that the decision of the government of Jamaica to hastily announce the seizure by legislation of the Venezuelan-owned shares in Petrojam is connected to the government's decision to withdraw recognition of the Venezuelan government. But it seems it's not just the opposition which had a differing view from the government on the issue. Professor Emeritus in the Department of Government at the University of the West Indies, Mona Rupert Lewis, agrees Jamaica should have abstained.
The question is, Jamaica has not been told how it arrives from a situation where it has not had anything to say about the election of Maduro. CARICOM said it was free and fair with problems, and then you arrive at a position where you are taking the majority of the shares. I can understand the economic aspect, but I can't understand the separation of the economic aspect from the political position which the government has now taken.
Dashan Hendricks, TVJ News.